Hi my students, you can see black bars opening effect in some videos. There are two different effects about it which are most used. Now I will show you the first method in this video. The second method is in next video. At first, as always, we must import our files to the timeline. Then bring the mouse on the video and select crop and zoom. From the opening window, select pan and zoom. And here we will select end rectangular. After that, we will change the ratio as custom and resize the rectangular. We will change the height of the rectangular because we will add black bars top and bottom. Now we don't change the width and we will change the height of the rectangular. If your video is full HD, change the height as 823. Then bring the blue plus on the orange plus and press OK. Now let's see how it works. You can see here the effect is opening too slowly. For change that, where we want to end the effects, we must cut the video. Bring the playhead where you want and cut. Now you can see the effect is opening normally. But the second part of the video is start to opening the black bars again. For change that, go to the second part of the video and right click on the mouse, then go to crop and zoom. And here go to pan and zoom and bring the start rectangular on the end rectangular as you can see here and press OK. And that's all about black bars opening effect.